Hi there. Today we're gonna learn about Pareto distribution. So Pareto distribution is named after Italian economist Alfredo Pareto, and it is a power law probability distribution used in various fields such as economics, finance, and quality control. It is characterized by a small number of high impact events and a large number of low impact events. So, the Pareto distribution is often used to describe wealth and income distribution, where a small percentage of population holds a large percentage of the total wealth. The properties. It is characterized by heavy right tail, meaning that extreme events are more likely to occur compared to the normal distribution. Applications. It is widely used to model various real world phenomena such as distribution of population, size of firms, and many other social, scientific, and financial processes. Pareto principle and its application. First, businesses. The Pareto principle, also known as 80-20 rule, states that roughly 80% of the effect come from 20% of the causes. It is commonly applied in businesses for task prioritization and resource optimization. Second, project management. Project manager use the Pareto principle to identify and focusing on the fixing the most important causes of problem, which often leads to the majority of issues. Third, quality control. In quality management, the Pareto principle helps in identifying the most significant factor contributing to the defects or the issues. Probability density function of Pareto distribution. Equation. The PDF of Pareto distribution is defined as f of x equal to alpha into xm into alpha upon x into alpha plus 1, where xm is the minimum value and alpha is the shape parameter. Graphical representation. The PDF is decreasing function starting at xm and extending to infinity, illustrating the higher probability of the lower values. Cumulative distribution function of Pareto distribution. Calculation. The CDF for the Pareto distribution is expressed as f of x equal to 1 minus xm upon x into alpha for x greater than equal to xm. Interpretation. The CDF gives the probability that the random variable x is less than or equal to the certain value of x. Moments and parameters of Pareto distribution. Moments. The moments of the Pareto distribution can be calculated using the formula E of x are equal to r upon alpha into xm into r, where r is the order of the moment. Parameters. It has two parameters, xm, the minimum value, and alpha, the shape parameter determining the distribution's skewness. Example and real world application of Pareto distribution. First, manufacturing. The Pareto distribution is used to identify and prioritize the most significant categories of defects for quality improvement initiatives in manufacturing processes. Second, finance. In finance, it is used to analyze distribution of stock price changes, where small number of large prices changes drive the majority of the risk. Third, healthcare. In healthcare, it helps in identifying the few critical source of patient safety incident or healthcare associated infections, allowing target interventions.